26 feet long, 8.5 feet wide, and packed with features and storage space. Welcome to the Napa edition. When you enter into the back of the home here in the Napa 26, you'll find yourself in the living space of the home. Back here, you'll have enough room to put a couch against the back wall here, or here underneath this large window. And because of this window at the back and the window panes in the doors here, this space actually feels a lot larger than it is. Once your couch is set in place, you also have hookups for a TV on the wall to my left over here. Now, obviously above me here, you can see there's a loft in this space as well. This loft is accessible by ladder and is served mostly as a storage loft, but if you really had to, you could put a single mattress or a foamy up there if you needed another sleeping space. Once you move past the living area of the home, you step into the kitchen and the dining space. The dining space consists of this bar table here. Around it, you could fit 2 to 3 people. Above it, you've got a nice big window that opens, and then below it, you actually have storage space and access to the home's fuse box and battery disconnect. Turning around from your dining area, you'll be faced with the kitchen. And despite this home being 26 feet in length, you actually have a massive amount of counter space and more storage space than I thought was possible to get into a footprint like this. Starting off on the left side of the kitchen here, you'll find a huge pantry that has 7 individual shelves that are all adjustable. In addition to that pantry space, you also have multiple storage locations below the countertop here in front of me. And you'll also find 3 open shelves on the left side of the kitchen over here and all the way down at the right side. Above the countertops, you'll find multiple areas where you can plug in appliances. You got a nice big window above the kitchen sink here and up towards the ceiling. The home's appliances include a propane cooktop and oven. Above the cooktop, you have an overhead exhaust fan. And then down towards the end of the kitchen, you'll also find a fridge and freezer. And if you didn't find enough storage space on this side of the kitchen, right next to the fridge, you'll find a second pantry. As you move past the kitchen, right at the front of the home, you'll find the bathroom. As you enter your bathroom, to the left-hand side, you'll find a residential toilet, which also has the necessary rough-ins if you wanted to swap this out for a composting toilet. There's a frosted window pane in here to bring in some natural light. And then in front of the toilet here, you've got a nice big glass enclosed shower. Next to the shower, you'll find a spot where you can put in either a 2-in-1 combo unit or a stacking washer and dryer. And then finally, right in front of me, to the right-hand side of the entryway, you've got your vanity, a little bit of storage space, and some lighting above it. Now, as we step back into the main area of the home, I'm sure you've noticed that this home also comes with a staircase, which leads to the second loft in the home. As we take our first couple steps up the loft, you'll find that there's actually a couple spots within the steps here that have storage underneath them. The second loft space here is obviously quite a bit larger than that first one. This will be your dedicated sleeping area. Up here you can fit either a king or a queen size bed. You've got 2 large windows on either wall here to bring in light and airflow. And then of course in front of me here, you also get 8 individual cubbies where you can store all of your clothing and anything else you might have. This home is currently available for immediate sale and is listed at $122,080 Canadian or approximately $90,000 US using today's exchange rate. If you or someone you know is looking for more information on this home, I'll be sure to put the floor plan layout up on the screen for you guys here. Otherwise, all the information you're going to need is in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching today, and we'll see you guys in the next video. To view our available inventory and to learn more about how we can build your dream tiny home, visit us online and book a consultation call today.